guess. Shit! That's what the fuck I'm talking about, my man. And life comes full circle. The camera is back in this garage.
Yep.
Filming this truck again. But this time for something else. I was just going live for a quick second to tease them for the video coming up. Ready? Yeah, I guess. Woo! Holy shit! That's what the fuck I'm talking about, my man. We need more of that in the world. More of that in the world is a whole lot less problems everywhere else. What's happening? Look, we're gonna have full video coverage coming. I got the camera in my hand too. What's happening? We just did a little, and that's the thing, I know better. That was a little something light. A little something light going down the road. We're gonna go check out the spot real quick. Holy shit is right, my friends. And that's light. We ain't even all the way there yet.
Light so I can check the tire pressure.
I got you.
I'm live on SKREECRET Live.
Oh,
Bring a light over here, Tig.
I got you.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah. Because I'm recording with the camera, so my phone I can just use the light.
Okay, we're 11. We're good there.
Yeah, we're gonna make a hit, Nathan. Matt Ryce is here with us from Delaware, so
Was that?
We're gonna turn this thing up and see what it's like to ride in this thing. We're down here at our test spot.
Oh, that picture the guy sent me earlier. It says DNR Automotive down the side. So he's like, I thought you might recognize the car, and I'm like, no, I have no idea what that is.
This spot, that's right.
The infamous spot. There's the infamous fender.
Do I need to unhook that relay? All right, Matt, hop in, Jim.
Oh boy. Yes, sir. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's the fucking shit right there, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it's hard.
It does. It feels good. Like that test spot you got there is, I would say it's pretty decent. Like,
oh,
it's
yeah,
not, you know what I mean?
Decent. It's not like a track, but it's decent.
But it's not, you know, I think that right there is better than Virginia was.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely. That's chip and seal road.
Yeah. Well, first of all,
That's what we do.
that
Everything is a risk.
everything's a risk, and there's a difference. You know what I mean? Like
Between being careless and like I'd say I'm decently experienced. You know?
right. There's a difference between me hopping in the truck with you and hopping in the truck with Joe Bob from down the street who had $20,000 to buy a car, but.
Shit, I think I'm scared to ride in it now. You haven't seen it made a hit in a long time, have you? Well, I haven't ridden it since Vietnam.
That was nuts.
Hey, look good?
Yeah. How much did you leave on?